No RF certification in India, custom will halt your shipment. The longer it sits, the more it costs. India is the second largest telecommunication market in the world, right after United States. It because the 5G adoption and the massive of database user. The opportunity to sell the telecommunication product there is huge. However, entering the market legally, you need RF certification in India. Things that you need to know: there is two certification in India. The first is WPC certification and the second is the TEC certification. Let's break them down one by one. The first is WPC ETA. This certification is issued by the Wireless Planning and Coordination Wing, commonly known as WPC. This part of the Department Telecommunication under India's Ministry of Communication. The second is TEC MTCTE. The certification issued by the Telecommunication Engineering Center, or shortened by TEC, and also with mandatory testing and certification of telecom equipment, commonly shortened as MTCTE. In short, wireless product need WPC certification, and telecom network product need TEC certification. However, some product may need both certification. WPC certification covers all product operating in licensed XM frequency band. This includes devices using Bluetooth, RFID, Wi-Fi, Zigbee, and other short-range wireless technologies. TEC certification covers all telecom directly connected to the telecommunication network. This includes smartphone, router, base station, and other network equipment. The list that the product needs certification in India is keep growing. Recently, in 2025, TEC is released specific of the product categories. If your product transmit, receive, or connect wirelessly in India, you need check the both list. Who can apply for RF certification in India? The applicant must be local Indian company. This include importer, distributor, or authorized Indian representative, or shortened by AIR. This company must be appointed by the foreign manufacturer. The AIR relationship must be confirmed by Memorandum of Understanding, or MOU, between a foreign manufacturer and the local Indian companies. Once the AIR is in place, the applicant must be registered on the relevant portal. Saral Sankar for WPC certification and the MTCTE portal for TEC certification. RF certification in India goes in different direction. WPC certification is document-based or paperwork. You need test report from ILEC accredited laboratory accordance with CE or FCC standard. Required document is include business license, ISO 9001 certificate, RF test report, trademark certificate, technical specification, user manual, GST or company registration of the Indian company, KYC of the authorized signatory, and an authorization letter from the manufacturer. Submit everything through Saral Sankar portal, and the WPC will evaluate your document. Once you pass the document evaluation, the WPC will issue your certificate. On the other hand, TEC certification need local testing, so you need send the sample to the Indian local laboratories. Typically, we need 3 to 5 samples depending on RF specification on the product. Requiring document include test SOP and software, AIR company registration, MOU between AIR and the manufacturer, user manual, specification sheet, product photos, label artwork, and a bill of materials. Submit all documents to MTCTE portal and TEC will evaluate your document. If you pass document evaluation, then TEC will issue your certificate. Lead time for RF certification in India is different depending on certification that you choose. WPC certification is shorter, then TEC takes longer due to local testing. For WPC certification, typically takes around 1 to 2 weeks. On the other hand, TEC certification takes around 12 weeks. On validity, WPC certificate is valid for life as long as there's no change on RF specification. On the other hand, TEC certificate is valid for 10 years from the date of certificate issuance. RF certification in India need label requirements. The requirements is different between two certificates. WPC certificate is no mandatory label requirements. On the other hand, TEC certificate is must affix the label on all of certified product. For TEC certification, label consists of 3 components. The first is TEC logo, the second is the word of MTCTE, and the last is the certificate number. It can be applied on physical label or electronic label on the device screen. 2 certification, 2 portal, and 2 different process. India RF certification process is among the most complex in Asia. That's exactly where DMulti comes in. Since 2008, we help hundreds of clients from across the world, including India. We handle both certification, WPC certification and TEC certification. If you want to know everything about RF certification in the world, subscribe. I will see you in the next video.